Look at my downloads folder. 200 plus random files, no idea where anything is. PDFs mixed with memes, videos next to zip files. If your folder looks anything like this video is for you. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you a Python script that automatically sorts all of this into clean, organized folders. Let's go. First, open your code editor. I'm using pycharm. You can use anything you're comfortable with. Now let's import the two libraries we need, import OS and import shutil. OS helps us work with files and folders, and shutil helps us move files around. Both come built in with Python. No pip install needed. Next, tell Python which folder to organize. I'm using my downloads folder. Just replace this path with your own folder. Now here's the fun part. We define what goes where. We use a dictionary to map folder names to file extensions. So anything ending in .jpg or .png goes to the images folder, .mp4 or .mkv goes to videos. You get the idea. You can add more categories too, like .zip for archives or .py for code files. Totally customizable. Now the main loop, this is where the magic happens. os.list dir gives us every file in the folder. We build the full file path using os.path.join. We check if it's actually a file, not a folder. We grab the file extension like .jpg or .mp4. Then we loop through our categories dictionary. If the extension matches, we create the folder if it doesn't exist and move the file there using shutil.move. Simple and clean. Well, what about files that don't match any category, like a random .zip or .exe? We handle those too, with an other folder. If the file wasn't moved anywhere, it goes to other. Nothing gets left behind. And that's it. Let's run it and watch it work. File organized successfully. And look at the folder now. Images, videos, documents, audio, other. Everything sorted automatically in seconds. No more digging through 200 random files. That's your Python file organizer, done in under 5 minutes. If you found this useful, drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more Python automation projects like this. Comment below, what folder are you going to organize first? Full code is in the description. See you in the next one. Keep building.